So Hero ISL 2021-22 is officially a go, and with the fixtures now out, joining me to discuss them for their respective teams are Shubhashish Roy Chaudhary of Northeast United FC and Anirudh Thapa of Chennai FC. So Shubhashish, पहले मैं आपके पास आता हूँ. आपके पहले 3 मैचेस इस सीजन के are all against southern teams. First match against Bengaluru, second match against Kerala Blasters, and third match against this fine gentleman's team who's sitting over here on this call, Chennai FC. तो पहले मुझे बताइए आप पहले 3 मैचेस को कैसे आंकते हैं नॉर्थ ईस्ट यूनाइटेड एफसी के लिए?
आप जो तीन टीम जो देखा है बहुत ही अच्छा टीम है. तीनों टीम का ही कोई कंपेयर नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन अच्छा है. हम लोग अगर शुरू में इन लोगों से खेल लेंगे, अच्छे टीम से खेल लेंगे, तो ये हमारे लिए अच्छा है, क्योंकि जितना टाइम जाएगा टीम सेट होने में उतना टाइम लगेगा. सो ये नॉर्थ ईस्ट के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा है. तो हम लोग 3 अच्छा टीम के साथ शुरू में खेल लेंगे.
एंड अनिरुद्ध, इफ आई कम टू यू नाउ, you're playing your first match against Hyderabad FC. It's a team that developed a very strong style of play last season. So how do you look at that match for Chennai FC?
Obviously, Hyderabad is a good team, and the foreigners they have signed, obviously they are known, in the Indian football. So it will be a tough game, as they know what ISL is all about. So they are well, aware about it. The Indian players, they are all, I guess, all same. Nothing's changed there. I have no idea about our team. Many players have come in. Many of the foreigners are new. Some of the Indians are also new. So obviously we'll take some time, to settle in. Hopefully, if we settle quick, it'll be good for us. But as we all know, Hyderabad is a good team, and our first match will be a tough one.
And then you soon play Shubhashish's team, Northeast United FC. So how tough is it going to be to score against this man?
Obviously, it is tough. He's such an experienced player, and obviously we have grown up watching him play. So obviously it is always tough when you face such experience and such strong opponents.
Yeah. So Anirudh, will come to the signings that Chennai and FC have made in just a bit. But I just want to rewind a bit now. Shubhashish, मैं पिछले सीजन के मैच के बारे में बात करना चाहता हूँ जो नॉर्थ ईस्ट यूनाइटेड एफसी और चेन्नई एफसी के बीच में जो था. इट ended 3-3, which was one of the games that was played last season. तो उस मैच की क्या यादें हैं आपकी?
तो लास्ट वाला मैच तो बहुत ही अच्छा था. 3-3 कभी ऐसा लग रहा था कभी कोई भी जीत सकता है. तो वो मैच मेरे ख्याल से वन ऑफ द टफेस्ट मैच था मेरा लाइफ का. तो अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था.
And Anirudh, now if I come to you, so have you had a chance to look at who are the signings and have you been able to do some research on them at all?
Yeah, obviously we had a team talk where we had an interaction, just a small interaction, not much. So from there, we had a talk, and when I heard about the signings, few of them are from the national teams, few of them are experienced. So I guess the signings are good. They are well experienced players and well known in their countries too. So I think they will be good for our team, good for our side, and hopefully this year we will do some good things on the pitch.
So Anirudh, I just want to ask you now, what is the one thing that you want to do differently on an individual level and as a team? Because I'm sure you'd agree that you had a disappointing season last time out. You finished 8th with 20 points. So what's going to be different this time around?
Honestly, we can't say because I haven't met the coach personally or the players, and first we need to, understand what his game plan is, what his philosophy is.
Absolutely.
And after that only, we can put our minds into one thing. But for me, winning is important. Reaching the top 4 is important. So does for the team. So for now, the only aim, is to reach the top 4 somehow. Because last year was really disappointing, really bad. And to be honest, I don't want to remember any of the games apart from the first one.
Yeah.
But for now, the only thing is, top 4.
Yeah, that's something I'm sure that the new coach for Chennai FC, Bozhidar Bandovic, would also agree with. Anirudh, you're looking forward to your interactions with him and getting to work under a coach like him?
Yeah, obviously, because, he has some Asian experience. He led Buriram, to the championship also. So I think it will be a good learning experience for me.
Yeah. And Shubhashish da, मैं आपसे आपकी नॉर्थ ईस्ट यूनाइटेड एफसी के साथ रिलेशनशिप के बारे में बात करना चाहता हूँ, क्योंकि ये आपका 3rd सीजन होगा नॉर्थ ईस्ट यूनाइटेड एफसी के साथ. आपने पिछले सीजन कैप्टन भी किया था क्लब को. तो आपके लिए नॉर्थ ईस्ट यूनाइटेड एफसी क्या मायने रखता है?
फिलहाल मेरे लिए तो नॉर्थ ईस्ट आईएसएल में फर्स्ट टाइम मैं 3 इयर्स नॉर्थ ईस्ट के साथ हूँ. इससे पहले मैं आई लीग में ही था, 5 years इन डेनपो, 5 years इन महिंद्रा यूनाइटेड. बट इन आईएसएल फर्स्ट टाइम आई वाज आई एम नॉर्थ ईस्ट यूनाइटेड. सो अच्छा लगता है, मतलब जब मतलब नॉर्थ ईस्ट का जो सपोर्टर्स है ना, इतना चीयर अप करता है, इतना जब ग्राउंड पे घुसता हूँ. जब मैं फर्स्ट ईयर का बात बोल रहा हूँ, जब मैं ग्राउंड पे एंट्री कर रहा था, जब सुबह से जब करके वो साउंड आता है कानों पे, तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है. वो सपोर्टर्स बहुत मतलब क्या बोलेगा, नॉर्थ ईस्ट का सपोर्टर्स एक अलग है. आपको खेल के मजा आएगा.
हमें तो देख के मजा आता है, खेलते तो आप है. मगर Anirudh, you are the club's record appearance holder of all time. So what does Chennai FC mean to you, and what's worked for you at Chennai FC now that it's been so many years for you at the club?
Obviously, Chennai is my home. I've started my career there. Then, everyone has supported me, the fans, the owners, ma'am has supported, Abhishek sir has supported, the club management is good for me. And everyone there, it feels like home. For me, it's a second family, when I started my career. So it's a big thing for me, Chennai FC, because everyone, when sees, they always aim, to start their professional career with such a great team. And I was the one. They were just, when I just signed the club, the previous season, they were the champions of ISL. So it was a dream come true for me. And it's a really big thing for a teenager back then to sign such a big club, such a huge contract. And I just wanted to grab all the opportunities that were given to me. And I was just looking, I was just hoping that whenever I get that one opportunity, I'll just give my everything. I'll enjoy my football. And the first game against FC Goa, I really enjoyed it at their home. And that is all, just Chennai FC is my family.
So if I was to ask you your message to the Chennai fans before the new season?
Just keep supporting us as you have always done. You are our strength. You are the 12th man, and we will give our very best on the field for you guys. This season will be special because last season was really disappointing, and this season we will bounce back.
Well, best of luck to you with that, Anirudh. And Shubhashish, if I could ask you, what would your message be for the North East United FC supporters ahead of the new season?
मैं वही बोलूँगा, नॉर्थ ईस्ट जो सपोर्टर्स है, आप लोग प्लीज सपोर्ट करते जाइए हम लोगों को. जैसे सपोर्ट मिलता गया आप लोगों को ऐसे सपोर्ट करते जाइए. लास्ट ईयर हम लोग 3rd पोजीशन में आया था, मतलब 3rd इसमें आया था. तो इस बार कोशिश करेंगे उठाने के लिए. पूरा हम लोग कोशिश करेंगे पूरा 100% देने के लिए, लेकिन सपोर्टर्स को तो हेल्प चाहिए. हम लोग विदाउट सपोर्टर्स को हेल्प हम लोग कुछ नहीं कर सकता. सो आइए आप लोग प्लीज हम लोगों को सपोर्ट कीजिए.
Thanks for that, Shubhashish. All the best to the both of you for the upcoming season on an individual level and to your respective teams as well.
Thank you so much.